I hate falling over, I hate grazing my knees, I hate picking off the scab a little bit too early, I hate getting toothache, I hate when it's a piss take, I hate all the mistakes I make. I hate rude, ignorant bastards, and I hate snobbery. I hate anyone who, if I was serving chips, would talk to me. Para